to talk protocols. When I first heard of all of the different abbreviations, MCP, ACP, UCP, I'll admit I was confused. So let's break it down and talk about what all this means for you. Now, most of you have probably already heard of MCP, right? The Model Context Protocol, a universal standard for how AI agents connect to your systems, product catalog, order data, or your return policies. MCP is how you expose all that information so any AI can find and use it. ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, they all speak MCP. Now you also have ACP, that's the Agentic Commerce Protocol, and UCP, Universal Commerce Protocol. Both are commerce-specific protocols that standardize how AI agents actually complete a purchase. Here's one way to think about how all these connect. If MCP is the electrical outlet, ACP and UCP are the appliance standards. They are commerce specific, not generic like MCP. They define what the checkout, the product feed, the payment handoff should actually look like, so any agent can work with any brand. It's also important to note that ACP and UCP are competing standards. ACP is OpenAI's protocol. UCP, on the other hand, is Google's, co-built with Shopify. What does this actually mean for you? AI services are really just the latest distributed commerce channel. Just like Amazon, Instagram shopping, Google shopping, when each of those came along, you had to decide how much to invest there versus your own site. And those channels didn't kill your own website or your own services either. The same thing applies here. Other AI services becoming part of the buying journey doesn't mean you shouldn't be investing in your own AI. In fact, that's where you should start. Invest in your own AI experiences first, your own site, your own conversation, your own customer data. That's where you have the most control and where the highest value relationships live. Then when you're ready to expand beyond your own surfaces, MCP is probably a first bet since it's the most widely adopted and it works across every AI platform today. And then you layer in ACP and UCP to reach customers on those specific platforms as the protocol wars play out.